In this segment of Ask Dr. Julie, this question comes in, I hope I say this name correctly, Biliana. I may have botched that. I'm so sorry, but it's a beautiful name. This question comes in regarding, are we able to restore binocular vision with depth perception after someone has had strabismus surgery? Answer to that, yes. Now let's talk about how you can connect with us first. If you want to go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com, there are two options there. You can fill out the questionnaire if you're not local to us, or you can schedule the consultation button with us. And that's like schedule a consultation to meet with me online and talk face to face. Again, that's for someone who's not local. If you're local, call us at 618-288-1489. We'd love to talk with you about how we can help. Now, let's go back and discuss, are you able to achieve binocularity and depth perception after strabismus surgery? Again, the answer to that is yes, in most cases. There are some rare instances of cases where we've had someone who's had multiple surgeries, and they may have some difficulty achieving depth perception. We may have some difficulty with certain levels of binocularity, but we highly recommend that you reach out to us and talk to us about what we might be able to do to help. Now, in most cases, we are able to restore fully binocular vision and depth perception to a normal level after even more than one surgery for strabismus. So again, we would encourage you to reach out to us. There are two ways that we work on things for you. I'm going to grab my handy dandy filters over here. And you've seen lots of my videos before where we discuss our syntonic filters. Our syntonics filters are designed to help electrically trigger from the brain to the muscle to tell the muscle what it needs to do for aligning more appropriately. And then there are certain filters that trigger the brain, like both halves of the brain, to tell the two eyes to work together better as a unit. So that's going to enhance binocularity. So yes, there's tons of things that can be done. The second component to our therapy program, besides the light or electrical therapy component, is more mechanical, where we're teaching the brain and eyes to work together better as a team to restore binocularity and also to gain depth perception. Now again, if you have questions about how you can connect with us, you can go to our website at visionforlifeworks.com and fill out the questionnaire or schedule a consultation. If you're in the area and local to us, give us a call at 618-288-1489. If you like our video, please like it, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel if you've not done that already. If you need to or want to pass it on because you feel like this information is beneficial, we would love that. Thank you.